When creating pocket operations, a great deal of tool pressure can be created when the tool ramps or helixes or plunges into the solid material. To alleviate this, tool makers will often first drill a hole in the part for the pocketing tool to enter into. Mastercam can also create this drilled start hole, but first a pocketing operation must exist. The start hole toolpath will create a drilling operation where the existing tool paths plunge into the material. With this part, I have two pocketing operations. And now I want to add a start hole. I'll select the point/circle toolpaths and select start hole. Mastercam will tell me it's building a tool library and the drill start holes window will open. What it's doing is analyzing the existing operations and pocket to see which drills available in its library could be used to create this start. In the drill start holes window, I'll select the helix bore operation as the tool path to create the start hole for. On the right side of the window, I can tell Mastercam to select a drill larger than 1 cutting tool used for the circle mill operations by entering how much larger I would like the tool than 1 inch here. Below that, I'll enter a value of 1/4 inch for the additional depth amount so that the drill will go 1/4 inch deeper than the pocket depth. I'll leave the basic radio button so that Mastercam creates a drilling operation. And I'll add the comment, drill start hole, and accept these selections. In the Toolpath Manager window, I can see the drill start holes operation and the one drilling operation created. Sometimes Mastercam will create the hole before the selected operation, and sometimes it won't, as it did this time. To correct the problem, I'll select this peck drilling operation. Right-click and hold it while I drag it above the helix bore operation. I'll release the right mouse button and select Move Before so that it's ahead of the helix bore operation. I'll now regenerate the tool path and turn the visibility of its cut lines on. In the graphics area, I can see its cut line, and I'm not happy with its depth. I'll select its parameters. I'll select the linking parameters and enable the absolute radio buttons for top of stock and depth. I'll select the depth button and select this entity as the new drilling depth. I'll leave the top of stock to 0 in case I decide to make this my first operation. I'll accept these changes and regenerate the toolpath. When this start hole was created, Mastercam created this geometry for me. This represents the hole. I'll save my work.